Hi guys, it's reaction time. We've got Flat Black and a bit of lightning. So Craig Dowler said I might like a little bit of this, so looking forward to hearing this. It says below the video, this is the official music video for A Bit of Lightning by Flat Black from their debut album Dark Side of the Brain. Without further ado, let's do it. Very cool, man. Love it. Brilliant bit of a melodic hard rock, modern melodic hard rock, but quite heavy as well. I love the way them riffs are sort of really crashing in those verses. The verses are ultra heavy with it. I love that, man. I mean, this just there's not many, you know, I do like modern heavy rock, but there's not many bands that really grab me. You know, I obviously love Alter Bridge. I mean, a lot of these bands began a long time now, but Tremonti, this sounds sort of very Tremonti-esque, sort of, to me. It really does. I mean, I caught Those Damn Crows at the, last weekend. They were amazing, modern heavy rock band. And I think, these guys just fit right in with that. They just capture that straight away. So those real heavy sort of dirgy riffs straight from the beginning. But man, it's always ultra catchy, isn't it? I mean, the chorus is brilliant. And what I love as well about, bands like this is that they, the video as well is very cool, and it's people can relate to it. I think they're very, this sort of music, this modern hard rock, if you like, don't even know how to describe it. It's quite heavy for hard rock as well. But I mean, it's almost like they really know how to hone in on, you know, personal stuff, and they're very universal, and everyone can relate to it. And everything in the video people can relate to. Do you know what I mean? It's absolutely fantastic. There goes the cat again. Came up earlier on. Hello, cat. So yeah, so man, just brilliant stuff. Absolutely loved it. So I'm sure many people can relate to the things that the band are portraying in the video as well through the lyrics. But man, I love it. Absolutely fantastic. Like I said, when it comes to modern hard rock, there's few bands that are more and more getting into now, but it takes quite a bit that little bit of extra something special, and I think these guys are just fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. Here we go for the rest, guys. Here we go.
And I know hope is there, but it feels so far away until I see you again someday.
Wow, great song, great video, just amazing stuff. I mean, they're a band that obviously really, even with a heavy song, can really stir some emotions as well. So man, absolutely fantastic, and the message was just amazing as well. Absolutely amazing. So what a great song. What an absolutely fantastic song. The solo was just amazing as well. I mean, I think sometimes people forget, you know, with modern heavy rock, there's some brilliant guitarists out there. And I think, you know, obviously you can see behind me, I'm a massive fan of, you know, 80s and stuff like that, and classic rock. And, you know, I think we always, me myself included, I think we always think, you know, they're the best guitarists, you know what I mean? The 80s guitarists and classic heavy metal bands are the best guitarists. But man, that's to prove to you that there's some amazing stuff in more modern music as well. Amazing stuff. I love that song. That was Flat Black. That was A Bit of Lightning. Thanks, Craig, for mentioning that song to me. Really glad I heard that. I'm really looking forward to the album. Can't wait. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below, guys. And I'll see you soon.